Hello everybody, my name is Gary and welcome back to Subnautica Below Zero. So, in this video, we need to get a lot of stuff done, to be honest with you. I feel like I'm really far behind. Like, I've done nothing. But before this video begins, I just want to give you guys a quick, friendly little reminder. If you guys do enjoy content like this, make sure you subscribe and also turn on that notification bell so you get notified every single time I upload a video, and also give the video a big thumbs up so I know that this is the type of content you guys would like to see. So, I need quartz. A lot of quartz. And I don't know where to get it. We also need lithium. I should probably grab that along the way. So I've done some research on where to get a few items. So stuff like magnetite and ribbon plant and all of that stuff. In the last video, I said that one of the only places that you can get ribbon plant is in the deep purple vents, which is this area but further down. There are other places and other places that we can actually go to that we have been. I just haven't really explored. So should I try and scan that? Is it a stupid idea to try and scan it? Oh! Owie! That really hurt. I kind of equipped on the side of the screen a couple a couple things that I want to build. So the prawn suit is definitely probably the biggest thing at the moment. And that is actually pretty easy to make. We just need a bunch of lithium and a plasteel ingot. The enameled glass is kind of difficult, which is why I was grabbing a bunch of normal glass. I don't actually remember what we need to make enameled glass. Oh, just lead and diamond. But lead is something that I've really been struggling to get. But if we go to a specific area, we can make it. I'm just going to use all of this to make glass because we need it for a bunch of different things. There's the titanium ingot, and then there's the plasteel ingot. We need more table coral samples. Oh, I don't want to. I'm so lazy and I don't want to go all the way back over there. Well, I got 4 glass. That's all we needed to make the docking station. Oh, we only needed 3 glass, actually. Okay, what is this area? So I haven't seen anything on this one. Ever. Ooh. Cool. This thing is awesome. So now we can dock the sea truck, but we might need the sea truck docking fragment or the compartment. We can try. Let's do a little experiment. Does it just slot in? Do I need to do anything? Oh! I don't need the docking thing. Oh! That was awesome! And now does it, fill up everything? Is it, filling up on power? Even though I don't have very much power. Ooh. I can name it. What do I want to name it? Let's go on an adventure. We gotta go grab things and make things. By the way, I named it Fiona. I named our sea truck Fiona, and I also painted it this really gross ogre green. I can't come up with names, and our base is called Shrek Swamp, so I just assumed that Fiona was a good name. It did recharge pretty, a decent amount, so I'm just gonna say we're good. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. So if you guys remember, 2-3 videos ago, we went to an area where we first saw that Leviathan thing that chomped around around me a second ago. It's over this way, and it's also where we found these jellyfish. It has the ribbon plant. We're gonna ignore the voice cracks, okay? I don't want to talk about them. What is it? The spiral plant clipping is what it says. It's around, I thought that it was only in the deep purple vents. It is also in the tree area, whatever it's called, this area. We can also find new areas that are deep in the ground, which have lead, a lot of lead apparently. So I do want to find that, or try and find that. This apparently also borders the edge of the map, which is a little nerve-wracking, but it's okay. Good Lord. That is a terrifying noise. I don't know if I've scanned this before. Apparently I have. Okay, so... Whoa! That one's a big one. Hang on, I want to go over to it.
The vent garden harvests geothermal energy to nurture the life that grows within.
Big squiddy. I'm gonna name you Salazar the Squid. Oh. You're not a squid? I thought you were a squid. Am I mistaken? Can I get in you if you're a garden? Hang on, I'll read it in a second. Can I enter? Not from up top. Maybe down below? If you're a garden, I'm assuming that I can enter. No? Yes? I can! Oh! Spiral plant! I found it! That thing, you are can I scan you? Will you hurt me? Hey, you can't touch me. I can't touch you. I think we can plant it too. Maybe that's what we should do. We should probably build planters inside of our base, or close to our base, so that we can plant this stuff. Okay, do I try and scan the Leviathan? I don't know if we should. Maybe if we like spleef around it, maybe. Hang on, I'm gonna read that really fast. The vent garden. Vent garden. The vent garden is a stationary Leviathan that anchors itself above thermal vents and houses aquatic flora inside its bell-shaped interior. So it is a creature. Anchoring... The voice cracks are crazy. Anchoring tentacles. 6 tentacles anchor the vent garden to the seafloor around vents. Each tentacle is capped by a set of thick, curved hooks that grow downwards, keeping the vent garden firmly in place. Transparent bell. The hollow bell of the vent garden has a narrow opening large enough to accommodate human entry. The vent garden feeds on thermophilic bacteria and other microorganisms that spew from the vent below. The top of the bell also has an opening that continuously releases water to maintain a consistent internal pressure. Symbiotic relationship. The bell houses 6 branching platforms that resembles coral. These platforms contain aquatic flora that remains safe from foraging herbivorous fish. In turn, the flora absorb and synthesize some of the heavy the metals and gases emitting by the vents below. Assessment. Docile, nutrient-rich herbivore or harbors flora. Nice! I'm just gonna put all of these in here so that we can find a few other things. Okay. This is probably stupid, but it's okay because I put everything away that I needed. So let's go try and find that Leviathan. I think that's where we want to go down. Okay, there you are. So it doesn't kill me with one hit. So I have time. A calcerite. Calcerate? Come on, hurry. Please, 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 please. Don't swim away. I hate that the hitboxes are so funky on these sometimes. Okay. I did it. No! Run away! You're so pretty. The colors are gorgeous. And I hate yellow. Yellow is too happy of a color. Calcerate, an aggressive leviathan with an enormous beak. There's limited knowledge of this alien monstrosity at this time, and many on 4546b hope it stays that way. Calcerate. These large mandibles of the calcerate are composed of a bony material that crushes and saws through bones and muscles with ease. The mandibles open up while the backward-facing teeth dig into flesh and prevent easy escape. The prey is pulled toward the Chalcerate's mouth and devoured. Exoskeleton. The Chalcerate's body is made of a thick segment exoskeleton. The exoskeleton grows in flexible overlapping plates. This provides protection from the atmospheric pressure while giving the Chalcerate the maneuverability to easily pursue prey. Behaviors. The Chalcerate is a predatory animal that patrols the warmer waters found near thermal vents. It can be seen feeding upon other predators and fish. As it attacks, the Chalcerate emits a loud screech that disorients its prey. In smaller fish, it can temporarily stun them, which gives the Chalcerate more time to attack. Void Chalcerate. The Void Chalcerate is a rare mutation of the Chalcerate that prefers to roam in dark, open waters at the edge of the sector. Assessment. A void, aggressive and potentially lethal. So I'm guessing there's a bigger version of those, like the Ghost Leviathan towards like the edge of the map. Okay, so this is as far down as I can go, but I want to try and go down further.
Detected in mineral-rich fissure below.
Yeah, and there's diamond, uraninite. I didn't know that we could get uraninite here, but it's worth it. My goal going down here is to see if I can find Well, there's a power transmitter. Magnetite and lead. Yeah, magnetite and lead are my two, like, main goals for this area. But, you know, if I can find something else, that's okay, too. I already have thermal plants. What is this? Ooh.
There I was.
Marguerite!
500 meters below sea level. Chunks of the sea base sank around me.
A booster
One
tank?
hand gripped the monster's scales. The other was clamped around the shard of metal I'd lodged into her eye socket.
I think you're talking about the Reaper.
Wounded, maybe, but still deadly. I'd already taken out one eye. I damn near carved out the other. We were headed for the void at the crater's edge. Blinded, she was spiraling deeper. I had a choice. Hold on or let go. I clung for dear life as she took us deeper. I had 1 minute of air in the tank. Back then, I could go another 3 with what I had in my lungs. So I had 4 minutes to kill the Reaper, minus a few to get back to the surface. It ain't that I like killing folk. It's just sometimes what you need is on the inside of someone else's ribcage. I killed that beautiful, terrifying creature, and I made for the surface. When I caught my breath, I realized we'd come further than I thought. I was surrounded by watery void, just me and ocean. Nothing else.
Marguerite is so awesome. I'm gonna drown down here. Also, this was not the area that I thought it was, but it was useful. I'm looking for something like a cave that leads me down into an area that is 480 to 840 meters deep. And it is supposed to have a bunch of lead and a bunch of magnetite. And I need that. The music is so good in Below Zero. I think I love it a lot more than the first game. It just sounds so, like, cinematic. All of it. There's so many thermal plant reactors, but I can't even make the thermal plant. Oh, this is Marguerite's base. What? Oh. I was this close to uraninite whenever I was at Marguerite's place and I didn't grab it. Are you kidding? Well, then again, I was struggling with oxygen then. Let's try and head further in. Oh, that is not a nice noise. That hurt my ear a lot. Go away! Ha! Works like a charm. Works every time. Let's just try and go down. Let's see if we can find anything. Leave my sea truck alone. Is this the edge? Ooh, it is getting very dark. So why does this area, like the Arctic area, why does it also have like a sheer drop down? Yes. That is most definitely the crater's edge. I'm just curious. Am I gonna get a PDA? Should I just swim down until I die?
Warning. Entering ecological death
yeah.
zone. The prospect for survival is fast approaching 0.
I'm scared to turn around. Oh my lord! Okay. Oh. So there are bigger ones. It's like the ghost leviathans. I need to scan you later. But I'll do it whenever I'm better suited for living. What do I need to make the MK2? Oh, just synthetic fiber, but I need enameled glass. And I don't have lead. Like anywhere.
The nearby spires are substantial thermal vent structures, hospitable to coral formation.
Okay, that's fantastic and all. But is there lead anywhere? Is anything down here in this crevasse? No. Maybe? Oh! I found a thing. I didn't even mean to find a thing, but I found a thing.
I am again able to trust the input of my people. They survived for a time, but then their presence becomes faint.
An ion battery! Yes! Was that everything that was down here? Well, that was useless. Well, the ion battery was really useful. Thank you. But lead, like legitimately, I have no idea where I'm supposed to get lead. Anywhere. And I need it for everything. It says that we can get it in the lily pad islands. So maybe we'll head back there. We can try. I swear I looked around there. I wasn't really looking for lead though, specifically. So I'll just have the scanner thing out as we're going around. Ground sampler. This alien artifact appears to be a programmable robot that collects and analyzes samples of soil and rock. Scans indicate the presence of equipment closely analogs to human-built lasers and spectrograph analysis equipment. I have no idea what I just read. See? There's like no Jaylene outcrops anywhere. Is it up? Like, is it on these? Oh. It is! That is so weird. But okay, I do need more table coral as well. Oh! Is that a mesmer? What is happening? What is that? I say, I had a little too much to drink last night. How long am I gonna be sick for? This thingy. What are you? A lily paddler? Oh, is it until I, like, get away from you? Oh, wait, no, it just lasts a certain amount of time. I need oxygen. Lily paddler, a medium-sized herbivore with an elongated, bifurcated torso and multiple bioluminescent adornments. Slow and vulnerable to attack, long arms for seed foraging on the ocean floor, an array of feather-like appendages display various colors in low-light conditions. When threatened, the paddler emits a pheromonal defense that disrupts higher-order brain function in certain species. At night, the paddler's illuminated plumage looks like a school of smaller fish, perhaps convincing predators they're not worth the chase. Assessment: dangerous if unfamiliar in unfamiliar environments. Approach with caution. Excuse me. Okay, our inventory is full. We didn't get as much lead as I would have hoped, but we got a decent amount. I believe that is also all of the storage filled up in the sea truck. So let's go home, see what we can build, and then we go on another adventure. Well, it's not completely full, so I could go back and try it. Okay, we'll go out and find some more lead. It didn't take much convincing. No! Stop! How do I get away from you? Oh my lord. Our inventory is full now. We got 3 extra lead. It's better than none. Ooh, what's down there? Oh. Wait, that's Marguerite's base. Right? I missed something at Marguerite's base? This isn't Marguerite's base. Where am I? What is this? This is the Omega Lab? Wait, this is what was classified, isn't it? Omega Lab, biological research classified.
Seek fluid intake immediately.
That was so loud. I can't see anything. And I'm also gonna run out of oxygen really soon. Dr. Daniel Valenti. Senior scientist, biochemistry, reports to Emmanuel Desjardins' current project,
Warning.
bacterial analysis.
30 seconds of oxygen remaining.
Okay. I think we should play it safe. And maybe go grab the sea truck and just bring it down here. Why is the Omega Lab classified? And is it bad that I've already found it? Am I not supposed to be here yet? Surely I'm supposed to be, because I can go down to 200 meters. Also, it doesn't look like it's that important of an area, just saying. It looks subpar, if you ask me. Oh, there's another one. Junior scientist, biochemistry, reports to Daniela Valenti, which is her. Daniela's bed. Don't mind if I do. I can't see. Ooh, aromatherapy lamp. Yes, please. That was Sam. Wait, that was Sam.
I challenged your spy penguin to a foot race earlier.
Because you got tired of losing to me?
Ouch. What if I've been letting you in so I can see you smile?
Cute. But I don't believe it. There are easier ways to make someone smile.
Easier than losing a foot race?
Oh,
A single
I think
bed.
You're a woman with many talents.
What are you implying?
The artwork that appeared in my lab the other day,
Oh, that. A study in Parhelion Red.
I assume you had something to do with that.
That depends. Do you like it?
It's beautiful. Like the person who gave it to me.
If I didn't know better, I'd say you were flirting with me.
Do you know better?
I don't know what I know anymore. Not when you're looking at me like that.
Aww! Nuclear reactor? That's so cute. So, she said... Ooh, yes, please. Sam said that she thought that she, like, fell in love, or she thinks that she found somebody that she really, really cares about here. But then in another PDA later on, she said, never mind, not anymore, or something like that. Nuclear waste disposal. Can I push that around? Yes, I can. Really wish that I could see things better.
We've studied the first Corral bacteria samples from the specimen. Results are promising. We were able to stimulate rapid multiplication of cells in a controlled environment, resulting in the creation of several different
Already have that, I guess.
mutations with potentially useful applications.
There are so many
Think of the
PDAs here.
possibilities. Life-saving treatments, genetic research. It could be a window to understand the evolution of life on this planet. The findings could move us forward by years. We recommend a wider study, using samples collected from a greater variety of sites around the original pustules. We trust you will provide the necessary security to do so. The Leviathan site must be protected.
I have no idea what we're talking about. None at all. Ew. Okay, hang on, because I will never be able to find that again if I don't read it now. So give me a second. I need to go out here. Okay, well, I guess we'll listen to you.
laboratory appeared to have been sabotaged intentionally.
What?
Do you know what it would have been used for?
Looked like maybe bacteriology. That's what the equipment was for anyway. Before a fire tornado ran through it, or something.
Do you think your sister had something to do with the destruction?
I don't know why she would.
Ooh.
But the more I see on this planet, the less I know what to think. Who would want to destroy it?
Good question. Focus. The task revolution. The key to total uninterrupted focus on what's important is the ability to unfocus on the unimportant. The ultimate goal of concentration is not to block out surrounding environments, but to maintain total focus in spite of them. They will be there. You must be not only better than them, but decoupled from them. You've heard of multitasking. Now get ready for monotasking. Studies have shown that humans, even the most capable among us, cannot focus on two activities at once. To the extent required to complete them optimally and thoroughly, multitasking is an illusion to make you think you're getting more done, when in reality you're most likely neglecting one task or the other. Monotasking rejects the notion that humans should even bother trying to multitask, as not only does it hinder productivity, but increases stress and even guilt when it doesn't yield higher productivity. You, expert task revolutionary, have no time for systems that do not work. So let's explore monotasking more in the next chapter. Listen, you don't need to call me out like that. Stop! It's rude. There's so many PDAs.
Investigation notes. Omega Lab was first breached by heavy impact, perhaps from a sea track modified with some sort of battering implement. A localized explosive charge was then released and detonated from a distance. Lab equipment was damaged to the point of inoperability, and all live specimens were destroyed. No personnel was injured. Samples have been collected for analysis to determine whether any bacteria escaped. It is, however, unlikely. The heat of the charge should have boiled everything within a 10-meter radius.
Whoa, okay. So it was intentionally sabotaged. But for what reason?
Danny's not here, I'm afraid.
That's okay. It's you I wanted to see.
There's stuff I have to grab.
Just a sketch for a piece I want to make. I'm slacking off. Don't tell the boss lady.
I won't. It's beautiful. What is it?
I'm doing a series inspired by bacteria. Mutant beauty. Life, death, risk. You know, that kind of thing.
What's this one? It looks like Rob, but Vin, is this a mutation?
It's just an art project.
You know you're doing that thing with your neck, like when you're trying to bluff an alien intruder.
Right, fine. I'm bad at lying.
Are you mutating Corabacterium from the frozen Leviathan here in this lab?
Please don't ask me any more questions.
I don't think I need to.
So it was Sam. Sam was the one that intentionally did it, like right there. Interesting. What do I do? My inventory's too full, but there are like 3 things down there that I need to grab. Do I need the titanium? It would be nice to have, but it's not a necessity. Drop that and drop that. That is one thing that I wanted. And the postcard. Why won't it let me grab it anymore? Wish you were here. I cannot see what that says. I have no idea. I cannot see. Did I only need to grab one thing? I'm gonna start dying of water. Uh-oh. We'll try and make it back before I die completely of dehydration. I just didn't want to deal with it. Water's so boring.
Seek fluid intake.
Ow. I don't think we're gonna make it. Maybe? Even if I do make it, my inventory's full, so I can't, like, pick up any of the food or, like, water things that are in there. Ow. Was so close. Park this in here really fast. This is probably really stupid. Probably should have just gone around to the front door, but it's okay. If I die, I die. I'm already at home, so it's not a big deal. Owie. I'm on my way. Okay. Empty everything. Aww. I was so close. That's okay. I'm gonna empty my pockets a bit. I really need to come up with a system, like a better situation, because right now this is ridiculous. Okay, how do I build the... Let's build a foundation to start. And I have everything for a foundation. Perfect. And I'm gonna build it just like off to the side here a bit. And then we're gonna have farms here, or like plants. Outdoor grow bed. We'll place one there.
Grow bed lets you grow plants and vegetables, providing flavorful options for evading scurvy.
Scurvy? Huh? Now, can I plant table coral? No. So I have pods somewhere. Oh, gel sack pods. And maybe ribbon plant too. I don't know if I slash ribbon plant, does it create seeds? And then let's try. So, because, yeah, there's ribbon plant there. But then if I do this. Oh, yeah. And now I need to go up and grab the whatever they're called. These things. Spiral plant clippings. Is this what I plant? Nothing's there. We'll see if it grows later. And then the other 3 that are left in here is what I'll use to craft the synthetic fibers for stuff. Genius. What do I need for a nuclear reactor? New advanced wire. I can make that. That's really easy. We'll place it there. Oh my gosh, everything is coming together! So I need ruby. Ruby is something that I need to mix with the spiral plant clipping, which is somewhere. Right there. So I need 2? Oh yeah, we could make those. I think I need 2 synthetic fiber. I remember seeing it for something else as well. I just don't remember what. So just in case, we'll make 2. And then aerogel, we just need a gel sack. I accidentally just used them all. And then copper wire. There's that. And then we can make the suit as soon as the gel sacks grow. Perfect. There's one thing. Quantum locker. Storage solution which shares content with all other quantum lockers. Oh, I don't see how that would be useful. Maybe we should build the nuclear reactor with the plasteel ingot. I think it would be worth it. Just this way we don't have to... Oh, I forgot about the advanced wiring kit. I think I have that too. Don't I? Nope. Shame. A real shame. Nuclear reactor! And now we need 4 nuclear rods. However I make those. I think I need glass is one thing that I need for them. Go down. I'm guessing it would be in here. Uraninite crystal, lead, glass. Yeah. I didn't pick up very many quartz, did I? I picked up some. Oh, I don't want to farm for more. Okay, give me a second. I'll farm for more quartz. Ooh, there is another part of the ship. Yes, please. I will be oh. Oh ho ho. So I haven't. I have like explored it. I just didn't grab everything because I couldn't. Oh, sneaky, sneaky. And the parallel processing unit. That's the 3rd one. Whatever that is used for. Still have no idea.
To build the test override module. Then I can disable that satellite tower.
Sure. Whatever that means. Yes. Now I only need to make 1 more nuclear rod. Oh, wait. Is that legitimately everything? Oh, no wonder it was explored so quickly. There's nothing in there. Ow! I have found so many quartz. We should be set for quite a while now. So what do I need? Glass, lead, titanium, and uraninite crystal. So I just need 2 glass because I already have 2 nuclear rods. Perfect. And then I put them somewhere. So there's that. Titanium and then lead. Oh, and uraninite. I don't remember where I put uraninite. Did I leave it? Did I not? Oh, I think it's in the sea truck. This locker situation. And 1 reactor rod. And 2 reactor rod. And now I have 4 and I can go put it in the thing. Hey! So professional. Nice. Look at that power! And now we could get rid of this. There's not really a point to it now. Even though it seems like for whatever reason these are like infinite, I haven't refilled these in over 2 hours now. I haven't put a new one in there. So I'm not fully understanding that. But we could just leave it just for extra power. Why not? If I don't have to keep refilling it, then I'll keep it. What is part 2 to the whole thing that I was doing? I don't remember. Oh, gel sack. Those should be fully done. Yes. We'll grab like 4. Sure. And now we need more ruby again, wherever I put that. And we have aerogel. I put the copper wire down somewhere. I know I had it. Do I just make another one? Okay, whatever. And there is the water filtration suit. So now we should be getting more water. And so that we should, like, stop dying all the time. Aw, is it just the suit? Yeah. Perfect. Reclaims moisture from the body and provides clean, drinkable water. Fantastic. What is this? Wirelessly charges your held tool while you swim. I don't think that's worth it. Because if I remember right, all it did was it like, say you have your sea moth at 0, or your sea glide at 0, it would like recharge it to 1 and then it would die back to 0. And then it would recharge back to 1 and then die back to 0. And it did that constantly. So there's like really no point to that. I think I have the, yeah, like 15% extra speed, which is better. I could build prawn suit. So we need a new plasteel ingot because I got rid of the one that I had. And then we need What do we need for this? Lead, diamond, and glass. I have that. That's pretty easy, so we'll make glass. I'll grab some lead wherever I put it, and also some diamond wherever I put it. Enameled glass. Fantastic. And then we need a computer chip. There we go. There's the prawn suit. So we just need to go up and make that. We can also make the fabricator one if I make another computer chip plasteel ingot. And then we just need a bunch of lead, which I put somewhere. No way we're out of lead. Unless I, like, put it all in the thing. Up here somewhere? Did I leave it in the the truck thingy? Empty. No. That's gross. I spent like 10 minutes, which doesn't seem like a lot. But whenever you're doing it, it's a lot. Farming for all of that. You've got to be joking. All right, well, here is the prawn suit. Nice. We have to make the arm for it, the drill arm. So I'll equip that, which is actually pretty easy to make. Nice. And then we will also make the fabricator one. Don't know why. Don't know what it does, but might as well. So that's just gonna go down. Perfect. Maybe, can I drag this down and just equip it to the thingy? To the sea truck? Or do I actually have to, like, pilot the sea truck? Because, look, I can do this. Can I, like... Oh! This is slow. Really slow. Does it allow me to rearrange them, too? Can I please rearrange these from, like, inside of this tube thingy? That would be really nice if I could. So can I just attach this here? No, I'm stuck. Let me out, please. So what is the fabricator one? Legitimately, oh, it has another storage thing. Okay, but I think that the sea truck is slower now. So I should probably, oh, it's not that slow. I should probably craft that thing, the horsepower module thingy for it. What is this? Rear only sea truck docking module allows you to take your prawn suit along for the ride. So that's what that does. I need that then. But then we just need the aquarium one. And then we're done. Because I think that's all of them. So might as well. We might just have a full truck. Might as well just have a full truck. And I think I can make that too. Another advanced wiring kit. Gross. I'm running out of gold. And also copper. And now table coral. Again. Okay, well, we'll just grab more diamonds for the drill. Wherever diamonds are. What am I doing? I just need to, like, figure out my life. I think I make both the prawn suit things in this. Yeah, there's the drill arm. And we should probably make that as well. And then horsepower. Perfect. And we got a jump module for the prawn suit as well. And then we just need grappling arm. And then we also have to come up with a name for it and can't really think of anything at the moment. Reclaimed water, nice. Ew, 3% less food. Well, there's that. Okay, and then grappling arm, what do I need for that? Benzene, titanium, ew. Is it necessary? Can I access the things? The upgrades thingy? No? I can't access it, so I have to, like, take it out just to access the upgrades. That's kind of annoying. And horsepower. New question. What do I need to make the prawn suit MK1? Do I even have that? Prawn suit, ruby, synthetic fiber, and an... Oh. Well, I almost thought we could make it. Storage module. That will just be useful for the drill. What other upgrades are there? Probably that one. Probably thermal reactor. That would be good. And then probably this dash one. We can make that. We have crystal and sulfur. Might as well. Once again, not like we have anything better to spend it on. Well, I'm sure that we will eventually. And I'll get annoyed because I'm gonna be out of everything, but who cares? And afterburner. So this is like a dash. And it just costs energy. Worth it if we get into a sticky situation. So now we have like 2 defenses. And then we have a thing to make it so that the amount of things that we have, or compartments on the sea truck, is less daunting. And now the sea truck is fully upgraded besides the MK2. Oh, that's one of the things that I needed to build. That's what the synthetic fiber was for, but I don't have any more lead for enameled glass. No! Okay, I think for right now, I'm gonna end this video here. In between this one and the next one, I'm gonna maybe either farm for a little bit more lead, or I'm gonna like reorganize the entire like system that's here. Like all of this stuff, because this is a mess. But if you guys did enjoy, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And also while you were down there, consider subscribing. There'll be a link down the description, as well as a big red subscribe button below this video. You can press either one. They both do the exact same thing, and it helps the channel out a ton. Also comment absolutely anything. I absolutely love reading your guys' comments. Seriously, they make my day so much better. Anyways, I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys!